In this video, I want to dive into the how to use YouTube as an affiliate marketer to make money online, specifically the things you need as well as the strategy. We're going to start with the money, combined earnings from this marketplace starting this year or at the beginning of this year, January 2023, up to today, April 10th, 2023, combined earnings, $2,284.79. There is an element of recurring. You can see here the total for that recurring plus the additional sales equals a combined earnings or a total revenue just from that singular marketplace, that one marketplace that I promote products on as an affiliate over at my other channel, Publisher Report. And when you dive into the analytics of this channel, you also have more revenue that you can make. Of course, you can earn AdSense once you meet those requirements. The simple idea here is you are creating videos. You'll see here April 3rd, I published a video. March 31st, I published 2 videos. There was actual promotion or a product launch and I wanted to do a review. March 19th, March 15th, March 12th, March 5th. You can see here down into February. So February, March, actually, if I scroll down here, you're going to see a little bit of dead space between October 23rd, 2022 and February 12th, 2023. This is when I actually took a break from creating videos over at this channel. The thing that I really want you to understand is this channel was built specifically for the purpose using the strategy that I call the top strategy to do affiliate marketing. The top strategy is built upon 3 foundational phases: traffic, offer, people. And the key thing to remember here is it was built upon getting traffic by creating content, talking about a very specific topic, and creating that traffic pulling content by creating one video and publishing one video a week. Now back to the fact here that I've made $2,284.79 since the beginning of this year. Now, what tools do you need? If you have a phone, you can do this from a phone, but I'm not going to tell you that that is the way you should do it because that is not the way that I do it. It's also not the way that I recommend others do it because you need a computer, you need a microphone, and if you make videos like this, you need a camera. First piece of software or the first tool that you'll need to invest in, meaning you'll need to spend money because building an online business does require money. The best all-in-one screen recorder and video editor, and it's the one that I use, is Camtasia. It's $199. You can see here, TechSmith Camtasia Recorder. This is actually what I'm doing right now. You can see my screen. You can see me on the video. And you can also see this little information here, the decibels. That's the actual microphone that I'm speaking into, which brings me to the next thing that you will need. You will need a microphone. The case of this microphone, or in the case of this microphone, $79, a one-time investment. The camera that I'm talking to you on right now, that is a Logitech, again, $64, a one-time investment. Now, part of the strategy that I use includes people. Traffic, offer, people. The concept here is that you will be eventually moving the people that watch your videos, that become your traffic, over to your offers where you earn affiliate commissions. You'll be adding those people to an email list. You can start with the email autoresponder or the place where you put those people on an email list to follow up with them with additional offers. You can start with that for free. Get response. Links for everything I'm talking about in the description. I also recommend that you purchase a domain name, but it is not a requirement. Of course, you're watching here on this channel, 30minutemarketing.net. The other channel, Publisher Report, publisherreport.com. The point here is eventually you will need to brand yourself and you'll also need email and you want that to be branded. You can see the prices here utilizing a name registrar like Namecheap where you can buy your domain name. Again, it all goes back to how do you earn money using YouTube as an affiliate marketer. It's very simple. All you have to do is follow the top strategy to start earning revenue. As an affiliate marketer, you need traffic. Traffic is making videos on YouTube. An offer is an offer that solves a problem for the people that are watching your videos. And of course, those people, you're going to add them to an email list to follow up with them. Of course, you will actually have to take all that equipment and the screen recorder, and you will need to learn how to use it. Again, I showed you here, TechSmith Camtasia recorder. It's not really hard to learn. You can see I can just slide this in and out, and you can see that I'm talking here on the screen, and I'm sharing my screen at the same time as I'm talking to the microphone. It's taking care of all the heavy lifting as far as creating the video or the videos that you see here. If I was to, again, click on the content, the videos that I've made, simply one video a week, as you can see here, I'm highlighting these dates, or I'm circling this or putting a rectangle around it so you can see exactly the number of videos that I've made this year to generate combined earnings of $2,284.79. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. This video, of course, was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate it. Also, everything I talked about is in the description of this video, as well as more information on my top strategy that shows you exactly what I do and how I do it. Check that out. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.